Raffiné's colored pencils, in my opinion, probably represent the best balance across the board. They're a balanced pencil. And what do I mean by that? I think that they're very well balanced in terms of how resilient the lead is, yet how smooth they write. I think they're balanced in terms of the quality of the pencil and the value. It's a very, very good value for the quality that you're getting. And I think that they're very well balanced, just how they kind of feel in your hand. And since this is a product demonstration, I want to do the best I can to kind of show you how they'll feel on the page and how they'll kind of work for you. What I want to do is just vary some pressures. So I'll start off kind of light, and then I'll just slowly get a little heavier. And I'm actually pushing down pretty tough right now, and the lead is keeping its own. It lays down color very nicely. They're very pigmented, and they've got a great balance because, you know, some pencils have a little bit too much wax in them, and when you use them, they can kind of drag across the page, and I'm personally not a fan of that. Some people like that resistance. It's all a matter of taste, but these don't have a lot of drag. They write very smoothly. It feels nice. I'll show you, just as an example, some layering. I'll put down a little bit of yellow here. I'll just go over that with kind of a phthalo-ish blue. Just to give you an idea, and you can see these colors pop really well from the page. Not a heavy blooming pencil, not a lot of haziness coming up. I'm not really working it very heavily, but because there's that good balance of wax and pigment, they don't haze. You know, you can overwork anything, but they're actually, like I said, just very good at that evenness. And you can see the blue and kind of how we layered that and get that kind of greenish effect. Just to give you the best example, I can show you just some artwork that we had done ahead of time. Our little goldfish here in the bowl. Colored pencil work. It's a lot of fun to do. And lastly, they sharpen very well. I've got our accurate dial point here. The wood is a very resilient wood, and they sharpen beautifully to a very nice point. So those are our Raffiné colored pencils. Comes in 12, 24, and 36 color sets. I hope you give them a try.